Reluctantly build this beautiful mailbox, right? Mail already.
Yeah, pick them up. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna reach with. I think I have to fix that.
It's not
Take
right.
your hammer.
It ain't fair.
For your mailbox post, you want to get a choice piece 4x4. So this looks pretty nice.
Oh my god.
I got a lot closer than I wanted it to. You want to select your mailbox so you can get the measurements for your resting post. So we're going to precisely measure how long we want the support to be. It's the only part of the video where I'm going to actually be serious. Be safe with these saws. Cutting 4x4 posts can be a little dangerous. Take your time. Alright, now back to the fun.
Oh my gosh.
The USPS recommends burying your post about 2 feet. So take your measuring device and mark 2 feet with your marking device. And then they say about, I think, 41 inches is where it should rest. There, that's 41 inches. Trust me, I know a thing or two about measuring inches.
I'm back. He keeps landing. Oh, there he is. Oh, stop moving.
Precisely measure where your blocking is going to go. Adhere. Ryobi. This is going to be very ugly, and I'm proud. Wood cut.
Not so choice.
Take your hammer. Alright. I think we're going to offset this a little because I drive into the script. Oh yeah.
This is like the ugliest backdrop we could ever imagine. Look at all this beauty, guys, and we're like, here, look at all our junk we're gonna put around. It looks horrible.
Oh, you're the camera person.
Well, eyeshadows and like all kinds of other stuff.
Camera person.
Well, then move over.
In case you guys haven't noticed, we're trying to make the ugliest post to deter the mailman from delivering us bills.
Yeah.
So we're hoping that they're like, you know what? I don't want to go to this mailbox anymore.
They're
We
like,
don't get bills anymore.
that's oogly. No bills for you.
Yep. They're like, I'm not going to that mailbox. Look at that. They're not gonna reach. I think I have to fix that.
It's not
Take
right.
your hammer.
It ain't fair.
I think
You can't cause a hazard for the mail.
they're like literally not gonna. Wait, that's not the one I'm working with. Where's the one I'm working with? It's right here. Let's see if this works. Oh, we're back to this problem again. It's almost like I cut this from the same piece of wood.
Why is it so hot?
It's getting so hot.
That's
why the quality of our videos are going down.
I know. Please keep watching. It's hot.
At least we can hear the air conditioning inside.
I know, it's so nice.
For the girls.
You're not.
That means I'm hitting
Wood.
something. That means I'm hitting.
A nail. Oh, jeez.
Oh yeah. Wait. Oh no.
You missed one. Oh no. Look at it. It kind of reminds me of cellular bars.
Hammer's inside. I can't go get it.
You broke it? You broke our cinder block? Our stairs?
I ruined our stairs. Wait.
Yeah,
It'll
you
be fine.
did. We're gonna have to
good
put a
thing
new.
we have hundreds
Yeah.
more.
With snakies in there.
There are snakes in them.
There's snakes in them.
This guy's gonna go in.
You did. Christina Aguilera's Sturdy. Wow. That looks like something. It's not bad. I don't care. Where are my corbels?
Your what?
Your corbels. You know, aren't those the things on mailboxes? The like fancy things?
A corbel?
Is it broken? He's
No.
like thrown this mailbox like 30 times.
We're just cutting fractions. We're gonna get 2 regular screws for that.
Hey, look, you even left a little like eye. You left a little eye thing so we can hang charms from it.
Well, my question is, how are you supposed to screw it from the inside? I can't believe I have to read instructions on a stupid mailbox.
I think if you screwed into the sides, that's plenty. Like, what is this going through, like a freaking tsunami? Like,
Well, I don't want screws. Actually, hold on.
do you screw through the bottom? No, yeah, no. No, but you're screwing through the sides, right?
The
So
sides,
that
what
should
do
be
you mean?
enough. Right here, yes. Those are not things. Whatever.
All right.
Sound of defeat. Whatever. Okay.
I think we're gonna revisit this one day
One day.
and make our mailbox beautiful.
But right now we need bills. And a bunch of junk mail that we didn't sign up for.
Dude, the junk mail.
Wow. Ryan monthly goes on a rant about how it should be illegal for them to send you junk mail that you didn't ask for it.
Yeah, like it's littering. They're giving us trash.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta
Unscrew it.
unscrew it. I think like that. I'm not measuring this. I'm not measuring anything. I hate this mailbox. Ugh. Why is it so hot?
I don't know. Why is it like
I can't wait to mow all of that today too. That's happening.
It's gonna look great.
The jungle. It is a jungle down there.
The jungle.
Please don't think this is a code. Look at that. It's been approved.
Approval.
Yeah.
By the
It's
postmaster.
been
Postmaster.
a master general. Not just the general, the master general.
Well, there we go. 'Tis lovely.
Now I have to dig. Take your beautiful mailbox. Oh, it's heavy. You know what I just thought about? I hope it doesn't want to lean forward.
Oh, jeez.
Actually, I mean, that's a lot of forward leaning weight, but whatever.
Whatever.
And you're done.
Well done.
Yeah. All right. Everybody's, including my favorite part, digging a 2-foot deep hole for that post to rest in. I don't want to do it. What's this for? I should have just hung my mailbox there.
Yeah.
Theirs isn't good either.
Well, yeah, I don't think you have to make it good.
Whatever.
But look, she's got a corbel on top.
Should I go deeper? I mean,
I don't know.
it's not much higher. I should go a little deeper.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
I'm so sorry.
This is all for things we don't want.
I know.
There's like no mail I
And we
want.
have to do this. We can't not have mail.
So I can hear about the special one-time only furniture sale. I need to know about the one-time
Every week. It's
sale,
one time only.
the going out of business sale. Every business is eventually going to go out of business. Eventually.
That's much better.
Yeah.
You are flush. Here, yeah, just blur out the mailbox, but
Okay.
Arr.
We're going to do foam. All right, we're gonna be using this post filler 2-part solution. Read the directions because it is a 2-part type of epoxy expanding. It's equivalent to 2 bags of concrete, and I thought it'd be cool because I like foam materials, spray foam, whatever, I don't know. But read the directions because, you know, it is a chemical. You should have PPE, but I don't. So that's how we're doing things today because I don't want to do this. Okay, first you roll. It mixes, 15 seconds. All right, where'd my thing go? Take your knife.
Or nail.
That's a knife. Then pour it in. All right, get it.
Well, I can't
yeah.
can't hold it and get it. And mailbox holder. Is it doing it?
It's going in.
It looks like green.
It looks horrible.
Slime.
It also smells good.
This literally looks like flubber.
It's getting very hot. Oh. All right, go get the.
Well, grab the mailbox. Grab the mailbox.
Hurry, here it comes. Here it comes.
Here it comes. Oh, it's foaming.
Wow, look at that. Is there enough? Let's do 2 bags of concrete. Whatever does foam up, we got there 4. Look that way. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, since this is I guess a DIY video, or I don't even know what type of video this is. Bring a level and maybe some support. If you're doing concrete, you know, you nail one here to the ground, then nail another one like there to the ground. So I don't know. I should probably do that. We'll see how this stuff works. Oh yeah, how long do we have to wait?
Oh man, you get me that. Yeah, are you gonna be standing here for an hour?
3 minutes. Oh, look at it go! Wow.
It's really growing.
It's like really growing.
I feel like that's more dramatic when it's up close. Oh, there's a spider crawling into it. What kind of spider is that? That looks scary.
It's a black. Is that a black
It
widow?
looks like a widow.
Why is he there?
I have no idea.
Should we put him in the mailbox? Oh, he's gonna guard us from mail.
Oh man, he's gonna like get the mail person. What do we do?
That is a black widow. I see its dumb hourglass.
It's got a red bottom?
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh, you were digging in there with your hands.
They don't live in the ground.
Well, yeah, I know, but it is in the ground right now.
Well, it's on the ground. It wasn't in the ground.
You were on the ground.
Dude, look at him. Film him. Film his dumb butt. Look at it. That's actually a female.
Wow. Yeah. Well, yeah, the only ones with the butt are the two. I think the more you wiggle it is bad. It's like setting. No, seriously, you're like wiggling it back and forth. You're creating like a pocket there. I would just prop it up with the shovel and leave it for a couple minutes.
You're probably right.
It sounds weird.
I don't know what's happening there, but it's weird.